As we've been reporting, Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport is earmarked for a potential 10% reduction in capacity starting tomorrow. And if that includes a flight you book through United, you may want to hold on to your boarding pass. CNN's Maribel Aber joins us now from the NASDAQ market site in New York. Hello, Maribel.
Hi, Chesley.
They're stepping up to help travelers who've been hard hit by the shutdown, right?
Yes, United Airlines will offer refunds to travelers who decide not to fly once any government restrictions on air travel take effect. So the Department of Transportation plans to reduce U.S. flights by 10% across 40 major airports starting Friday if the shutdown continues. This leaves many carriers scrambling to adjust schedules over the coming days. United says its customers can get a full refund for as long as any restrictions are in place, even if their flight isn't directly affected. So this would include non-refundable and basic economy tickets as well. The airline plans to give travelers several days of advance notice regarding any flight changes to minimize disruptions. And, you know, Chesley, you might be able to get where you need to get to, but will the return flight be all right? That's the question. That
is the question. That is a very important question. All right, Starbucks' popular Red Cup Day is next week, but it's also setting up to be a day of showdown with the union employees.
Showdown indeed. Starbucks union members say they're ready to strike next week, Chesley. Members voted to walk out of stores in at least 25 cities, but exact locations were not disclosed. The large gap in CEO to worker pay is a key point in their contract demands. Union leaders say the salary for Starbucks chief executive is more than 6,000% higher than the average employee. Starbucks says it's, quote, disappointed that the union voted to strike rather than focus on negotiations. The strike is set to begin November 13th, which is also the coffee chain's Red Cup Day launch for the holiday season, Chesley.
Everybody wants those red cups, man. Everybody wants those red cups. All right, Snapchat's streak may be hot, but Wall Street's mood, not so much.
Okay, Snap shares surged 15% after a strong forecast and a new $400 million AI deal with Perplexity. Executives told CNBC the partnership will expand Snap's AI features and advertiser tools. Users may see upgraded conversational chat capabilities. By early next year, Snap's revenue came in above expectations with improvements across North America and Europe. The company did see a dip, though, in earnings, losing 6 cents per share. It says engagement is stabilizing after 2 years of uneven growth and reported 1 million more daily users last quarter than was estimated. Chesley.
All right, understand that it's a wicked good time to be a donut lover because Dunkin's new menu might put a spell on you, huh?
Okay, well, I'm going to put a spell on you right now. Dunkin' is celebrating the finale of the Wicked franchise with Munchkins and merch. Pink and green glazed Munchkins give a nod to Glinda and Elphaba. They come in a collectible tin for $9.99. There's also dueling drinks, a Wicked green matcha or a pink refresher. Other movie-inspired merchandise features tumblers with straw toppers shaped like a witch's hat or a crown. All are available now for a limited time. You know, Wicked for Good hits theaters November 21st. Chesley, I'll tell you what, there's the thing. Sometimes we might need a hat. Sometimes we might just need a crown.
Oh, look
you know
at
what
that.
I'm saying?
Look at that. You just have all the props.
I'll put a spell on you.
You have all the props. If you have some money sitting there, throw that my way as well.
I'm going to throw that to you, too.
Thanks a lot, Maribel. Really appreciate it.